Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Get ready for some epic comparisons. Let's kick things off with the price. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit comes in at a wallet-friendly $25, while the Galphi 3-channel dash cam is priced at $99. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good deal. Vantrue takes the lead in this category. Next up, let's talk about power options. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing continuous power. It even has a low-voltage protection system to prevent draining your battery. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam doesn't require a hardwire kit and can operate with its built-in power source. It's like having a superhero with its own power generator. Galphi wins this round for its convenience. Now let's dive into the most important aspect of any dash cam: video quality. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit supports various Vantrue models and offers solid 1080p video recording. But hold on tight, because the Galphi 3-channel dash cam takes it to the next level with its triple camera system. It captures front, rear, and cabin footage in stunning 1080p and even has an IPS screen for live video feedback. Galphi wins the gold in video quality. When it comes to night vision, both dash cams excel. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit ensures clear footage, even in low-light conditions, while the Galphi 3-channel dash cam goes the extra mile with its f1.8 aperture and IR cabin light. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. We'll call it a tie in this category. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit offers 24/7 surveillance, protecting your vehicle against theft. But guess what? The Galphi 3-channel dash cam has its own built-in parking monitor. No need for a hardwire kit. It automatically powers on and records when a collision occurs. Galphi wins again for its all-in-one solution. Up next, we have memory capacity. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit supports various SD card sizes, allowing you to store hours of footage. But wait, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam has recently updated its firmware to support a whopping 128 GB memory disk. That's like having a personal movie collection in your dash cam. Galphi takes the crown in this category. Last but not least, let's talk about warranty and customer support. The Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. But the Galphi 3-channel dash cam goes above and beyond with not only a 1-year warranty but also 24/7 technical support. They've got your back day and night. Galphi wins the final round. In summary, based on Amazon reviews, customers have praised the Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit for its easy installation process, continuous power supply, and good customer service. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam receives positive feedback for its clear video quality, convenience of not needing a hardwire kit, and overall value for money. And there you have it, folks. In this epic showdown, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam takes the lead in most categories. But remember, the best dash cam for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Make sure to check the links in the description below to get more information about these amazing products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.